second one.
And the second one on your own, remember, it's like a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. The opposite of division is
Multiplication.
multiplication. So again, we call these one-step problems because it takes one step to fix them or find the answer, to solve them. So x divided by 7, since we're dividing by 7, we have to do the inverse or the opposite. Opposite of dividing by 7 is times 7. Times 7, and do that to both sides. The 7's cancel on the x side. So we're left with just x here equals, and who knows what 5 times 7 is? You know, Emery? 5 times 7? 35. And if I want to check that real quick, because it's always good to check your answer to make sure you didn't make a mistake. On your calculator, you would just plunk in 35, division key, 7, and say, does that equal 5? And yes, it does. It checks out. We're good to go. Okay, again, it does not matter if the P is on the right or left side. We're still going to move whatever is with the variable. We're still going to undo that. So P divided by 6 is the same as, or the opposite of that, sorry, not the same as. The opposite of division is multiplication. So times 6 times 6. So the 6's on the right side cancel. We're left with just a P. And 13 times 6, Grady, you know that one?
78.
78 says Grady.
Yes.
If you're not sure if he's right or not, you would check it. You'd do 78 divided by 6. Does that equal 13? That's our question. And yes, it does. It works. Good to go. We're doing the opposite.
Got it.
Okay, one story problem for us here. Okay, most story problems, they either give you an equation or they assume you know how to find the equation or they ask you to make an equation. So, at Elk Meadows Park, an aspen tree is 1/3 the height of a pine tree. Well, that means it's divided by 3 to get it. Okay, so I gave you a little formula here. The height of the aspen equals the height of a pine divided by 3. So if the aspen tree is 14 feet tall, how tall is the pine tree? So we'd have to plug this in. So, do we know height of aspen? It's 14. We don't know the pine tree, and I'm just going to label that as P for pine tree, divided by 3. So I just copied everything from the formula here, and I plugged in what I knew. Okay. So what would I do to solve this one? Happy?
You will do 3 times 3, 14 times 3. I'm so hungry.
So
All right.
14 times 3, which I have no idea because I 42. 42, yes.
42, I heard.
The answer to life universe never. The answer to life.
So, since it was a story problem, I probably shouldn't just write 42 as my answer.
It's 42.
It's 42 what? 42 feet. 42 feet. Okay, and I got that from how tall is the pine tree? Well, we were going to measure height in units of length, so feet would be our unit of length on that one. Yes, Zach, question.